Welcome back again here at Buffalo Southwest Cafe Riyadh. Now, I'm wondering where's our host for tonight? Marlo.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh.
You really find me, huh? And welcome to Buffalo's Alive. And I'm gonna show you the fresh and the new of Buffalo's. Come here, come on. Give way, guys. Give way. Yeah.
Behind.
Ano to?
Behind you.
Yeah.
Black and blue salmon.
This is black and blue salmon. It has a pile of Mexican rice with pico de gallo and fresh salmon on it. And it has a fresh bridges and colorful bridges in it. This one. Try this one. It's very good.
And next, grande.
Yeah. This one is
Lapit mo. Lapit mo.
quesadilla grande. With a Monterey cheese on it, and a side of black beans and Mexican rice, and a sour cream, and a pico de gallo in it, a pinch. Okay, try this one. This is also good. It's gonna suit your appetite, huh? Come on, eat.
Go with the salad, man. Salad.
Salad. No, you got a salad.
Let's go with the salad. Come on, here. All right. What's that? It's a sirloin.
Sirloin steak.
This is a sirloin steak.
Ilapit mo sa'yo. Ilapit mo sa mukha mo.
Oh, this is a sirloin steak. It's very big. It is a sirloin steak that grilled to perfection. There's a garlic bread and a loaded mashed potato and grilled veggies, steamed veggies on it, and sprinkled with something cool. I don't know because it is new.
It's the salad, man. It's the salad.
Ribeye.
Beautiful one.
Country fried
Oh,
chicken.
try this one. This is
Ilapit mo sa mukha mo.
try this one. This is country fried steak smothered with our homemade counter gravy on it and loaded mashed potato with a steamed veggies on it. Colorful steamed veggies with a garlic bread.
Sounds so yummy.
What else?
The salad, man.
The
Come on,
salad.
show it.
No, it's finished already.
Ready.
Oh, we gonna.
Be one.
We will find.
The shrimp, man.
The shrimp.
Go with the shrimp.
There is pickle also, like that long veg.
The shrimp on the house. This one is small size. This one is breaded shrimp, 10 pieces, and French fries with coleslaw in it, and put in a tortilla shell with a garlic bread. What else?
Southwest Express.
Southwest Express.
Burrito na.
Cut mo muna. We'll be right back after a meanwhile. Okay? Thank you.